Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Our today's lesson is adverbs of frequency. So let's start this lesson. Read the following sentence. He failed twice in class 9. Now, the word twice in green color indicates 2 times. He failed twice in class 9. What does it mean? He failed first in the last year. This year, he also failed in the same class. His failure in class 9 was 2 times. So the word twice indicates 2 times. Thus, adverb of frequency tells us how often, that is, how many times the action is done, or the action was done in the past, or the action will be done in the future. So here twice is an adverb of frequency. Then adverb frequency का क्या मतलब हुआ कि ये वो वर्ड होता है जो ये इंडिकेट करता है कि पास्ट में या फ्यूचर में कितना बार, पास्ट में कितना बार काम हुआ, या प्रेजेंट में कितना बार काम हो रहा है, या फ्यूचर में कितना बार कोई काम होगा. अच्छा, what is the meaning of word frequency? The word frequency means repeating a thing more than once. Repeat करना, एक चीज को दो बार, 3 बार, more than once repeat करना. For example, he failed twice in class 9. That is, he failed 2 times. He repeated his failure in class 9. एक ही क्लास में उसका फेल होना रिपीट हुआ. सो फ्रीक्वेंसी का मतलब होता है रिपीट करना, किसी चीज को रिपीट करना, एक एक्शन को रिपीट करना. रिपीटिंग द सेम एक्शन, रिपीटिंग द सेम एक्शन मोर देन वंस. Now let's see some more examples to understand adverbs of frequency. Number 1, teachers often give examples while teaching. Here, often means many times, regularly. Okay? Example number 2. The sun always rises in the east. Now, always means all times, every time. This is repetition. So, it is an adverb of frequency. The sun rises on Monday, the sun rises on Tuesday, the sun rises on Wednesday. So on all days the sun will rise. Example number 3. We never go to school on Sundays. Never means not once. Not once. Here there is no repetition. Okay? Sentence number 4. The solar eclipse seldom takes place. Seldom means not often, not regularly, not many times. The solar eclipse seldom takes place. Example number 5. Sometimes I walk to school and sometimes I go by cycle. Here sometimes mean not often, not always, not often, not many times. Example number 7. You can visit me sometime tomorrow. Here sometimes mean time not specified. Now there is a difference between sometimes and sometime. Sometimes means not often, not regularly. Okay? And here sometime means time not specified. You can visit me tomorrow. You can visit me tomorrow at any time. There is no time particularly fixed. So there is no specific time mentioned here. Sometime, any time. Any time in the morning, any time in the afternoon, any time in the evening. So sometime, this is the meaning of sometime. But sometimes means something you are repeating. Okay? Example number 7. We visited the Victoria Memorial again. Yeah, again means a second time, once more. We had visited the Victoria Memorial last time. Again, we are here. So this is the meaning of again. Example number 8. Trains in our country frequently run late. Frequently means often, many times. Trains in our country frequently, often run late. Example number 9. We usually wash hands before eating. Usually means normally, most often. Repeated many times. Not always, but repeated many times. On many occasions. One more example of usually. We usually eat with right hands. We usually eat with right hands. So these are the 10 examples where we have given adverbs of frequency. So what are the adverbs of frequency? Often, always, never, seldom, sometimes, sometime, again, frequently, usually. So these are adverbs of frequency. So remember all these words. Now let's see the position of adverbs of frequency. We have already seen the position of adverb of time. So like that we shall know where we should place adverbs in a sentence. Where we should place adverbs of frequency in a sentence. Usually an adverb of frequency comes before verb. इसमें adverb frequency जो है verb से पहले उसको हम लोग place करते हैं. ये उसका position है. और क्या हो सकता है? What could be? If there is an auxiliary verb or an object in the sentence, it comes after the auxiliary verb or an object. Here are two examples of adverbs of frequency coming after auxiliary verb. He is always late. Here always is adverb of frequency. It comes after auxiliary or helping verb is. It is shown in italic style. He was never absent from school. Never is an adverb of frequency. It comes after helping verb or auxiliary verb was. Now let's see the examples of adverbs of frequency coming before verb. So let's go back. Often give examples while teaching. Often, teachers often give examples while teaching. Here often comes before verb give. The sun always rises in the east. Always comes before rises. We never go to school on Sundays. Never comes before go. The solar eclipse seldom takes place. Seldom comes before the verb takes place. Sometimes I walk to school. Sometimes comes before walk. You can visit me sometime tomorrow. Here sometimes come after object me. We visited the Victoria Memorial again. Again comes after object Victoria Memorial. Trains in our country frequently run late. Frequently comes before verb run. We usually wash hands before eating. Usually come before verb wash. We usually eat with right hand. Usually come before verb eat. So according to rule we have seen that adverbs of frequency comes before verb, and when there is auxiliary verb in the sentence, it comes after auxiliary verb or after an object. All this was about adverbs of frequency. I hope you have got it well. Thank you very much.